Welcome back to my YouTube channel. 1980 USA 1 cent coin.
We'll explore its historical significance, examine its value, discuss its rarity, and look at recent auctions where this coin has sold for impressive sums.
Stay tuned as we uncover why this seemingly ordinary penny could be worth millions of dollars. Historical background.
To appreciate the 1981 cent coin fully, we need to understand the historical context of its production.
The 1980 penny, often overlooked in the vast world of coin collecting, is a fascinating piece of American history. Economic and social context of the 1980s.
The 1980s was a transformative decade for the United States.
It was marked by economic shifts, technological advancements, and significant political changes.
Under the presidency of Ronald Reagan, the country experienced both economic growth and challenges, including high inflation and rising interest rates. This period saw the implementation of supply-side economic policies and deregulation, which had long-term effects on the American economy.
The 1980 penny reflects a time of transition and adaptation in U.S. coinage. Minting and production.
The 1980 penny was produced by the United States Mint at two locations, Philadelphia, no mint mark, and Denver, D-mint mark. These mints played a crucial role in ensuring the availability of 1 cent coins for everyday transactions. The Philadelphia Mint, established in 1792, is renowned for its historical significance and high-quality coin production. The Denver Mint, founded in 1906, is known for its modern coin manufacturing and has a reputation for producing reliable and precise currency.
Design and composition. The 1980 penny features the same design that has been in place since 1959, created by Victor David Brenner. The obverse of the coin depicts Abraham Lincoln, while the reverse displays the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo.
The 1980 penny is made of 95% copper and 5% zinc, a composition that has been standard for U.S. pennies since 1864. The coin weighs 3.11 grams and has a diameter of 19.05 millimeters.
Historical significance.
While the 1980 penny may not have been groundbreaking at the time, it represents a period of stability in U.S. coinage design. This period marked the continuation of the Lincoln Memorial reverse design and provided a bridge between earlier and more recent changes in U.S. currency.
Rarity and varieties. Now, let's delve into the rarity and varieties of the 1980 penny. Although it was minted in large quantities, certain features and errors make some of these coins highly sought after by collectors. General mintage numbers.
The 1980 penny was produced in substantial quantities, with over 7 billion coins minted in total.
The breakdown is approximately 4 billion from the Philadelphia Mint and 3 billion from the Denver Mint.
Rare varieties and errors. While the 1980 penny is generally common, certain rare varieties and errors can significantly increase its value. Notable examples include the 1980 double die obverse, DDO, and the 1980D repunched mint mark, RPM.
Double die obverse, DDO. The 1980 double die obverse penny is one of the most notable errors.
This occurs when a coin is struck more than once with slight misalignment, resulting in a doubled appearance of the design elements on the obverse. The doubling is usually most visible on the inscriptions Liberty and In God We Trust. These coins are rare and can command higher prices among collectors.
Repunched mint mark, RPM. Another sought-after variety is the 1980D repunched mint mark penny.
This error occurs when the mint mark is punched into the die more than once, creating a doubled or overlapping appearance of the D mint mark.
These varieties are particularly rare and can add significant value to the coin, depending on the severity of the error. Factors affecting rarity. The rarity of these errors is influenced by several factors, including the number of known examples and the condition of the coin. Coins that are in mint state or higher grades are more valuable than those that have been heavily circulated. Professional grading services like PCGS and NGC provide standardized assessments of a coin's condition. Coins graded by these organizations often fetch higher prices due to their verified quality and rarity. Collecting rare varieties. Collectors should be vigilant when searching for rare varieties.
Using magnification tools and reference guides can help identify key features of valuable coins.
Engaging with numismatic communities and attending coin shows can also provide opportunities to acquire rare specimens.
Value assessment.
Determining the value of a 1980 penny involves evaluating several factors, including its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Let's explore how these factors come together to impact a coin's value.
Grading and condition.
Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with higher numbers indicating better condition. Coins in mint state or higher grades are generally more valuable than those that have been circulated extensively. The presence of luster, sharpness of the strike, and lack of wear are crucial indicators of a coin's grade. High-grade coins, especially those with notable errors, can command significant premiums. **** Market trends. The market for 1980 pennies, like many collectible coins, is influenced by supply and demand. The value of these pennies has fluctuated over the years, with rare varieties and high-grade examples often fetching the highest prices. Examples of recent sales and price ranges.
Recent sales of high-grade 1980 pennies have shown a range of values.
For instance, a 1980 double diabris penny in MS65 condition can sell for several $100s, while higher-grade examples may reach over $1,000. Similarly, a 1980D repunched mint mark penny can command anywhere from $100 to $1,500, depending on its condition and the severity of the error.
Recent auctions and sales.
Recent auctions have highlighted the impressive values that 1980 pennies with rare errors or high grades can achieve. Auction houses such as Heritage Auctions and Stacksbowers frequently handle these coins, and the results can be astounding.
High-profile auctions.
One of the most notable recent auctions was held by Heritage Auctions, where a 1980 double diabris penny in MS67 condition sold for over $5,000. Another significant sale involved a 1980D RPM penny, which fetched over $2,000.
Record sales and notable high-value transactions.
There have been several record-breaking sales of 1980 pennies in recent years. For example, a 1980D double diabris penny in exceptional condition was sold for more than $10,000 at a Stacksbowers event.